Hey everyone, and once again, welcome back to my channel. Today, we've got something exciting to unbox. The Nike Sport Loop Band for the Apple Watch 45mm in this awesome blue color. I've really been looking forward to checking this one out, so let's dive right in. First things first, let's take a look at the packaging. It's sleek and simple, typical of Apple products. The band with the Nike branding is prominent on the front of the box. On the back of the box, we can see the price, which in Australia is $69. Taking a closer look, we can see that this is the 45mm version of the Game Royal / Orange Nike Sport Loop. Opening the box is as simple as pulling the tab, then unfolding the box. The inside cover of the box, we see instructions and diagrams on how to attach the band to the watch, as well as how to adjust the band to fit your wrist. Here it is, the Nike Sport Loop Band. The material feels soft and lightweight. It's made of a double layer nylon weave. What's interesting is this band is carbon neutral. It's designed with 82% recycled yarn, making it an eco-friendly choice. Let's look at some features and benefits. The Sport Loop design is all about comfort. The dense skin side loops provide cushioning, and the breathable weave allows moisture to escape. Perfect for those sweaty workouts. The band fits wrists from 145mm through to 220mm, so whether you have a smaller wrist or larger wrist, it's got you covered. Attaching it to the Apple Watch is a breeze. Just slide it in and it clicks securely. The blue color is vibrant and eye-catching. It adds a pop of personality to your Apple Watch. Wear it during workouts, at the office, or even on a casual day out. It transitions seamlessly. If you're into fitness, you'll appreciate the way it wicks away sweat. No more uncomfortable wet bands. This band works with 42mm, 44mm, 45mm, and 49mm cases for Apple Watch models. And there you have it. The Nike Sport Loop Band for the Apple Watch 45mm. If you're looking for style, comfort, and eco-consciousness, this band ticks all the boxes. I highly recommend checking this one out. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already for more tech reviews. And once again, thanks for watching.